Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. In this video tutorial, you will explore the Classwork in Microsoft Teams to organize your lessons. At the beginning in Teams, go to Teams and open your class team. First, let's talk about the difference between Classwork and Assignments. Assignments are used for graded work that students submit, while Classwork is designed for organizing and sharing lessons, resources, and materials without requiring submissions. In this video, we're exploring the Classwork feature and how it helps teachers keep everything structured and accessible for students. Click the Classwork tab in the left bar. A page will appear with the option to create module. Click on Create Module and choose New Module. Give it a title. For example, Week 1 Introduction. You can also add an optional description to explain what students will learn or do. This step remains optional. Click Save, and your module will be created as a draft, ready for you to add content. You can create as many modules as you need by week, topic, unit. Inside your module, click plus and pick what you want to add. You can choose files, and upload them from your device or from cloud files. Choose your files and upload them. By clicking the plus button, you can add more files or even an assignment. We'll take a closer look at the Assignments tab in the next video. You can also add a secure web link as a YouTube video link. Enter the text you want to display. And click Attach. The module is now saved as a draft. You can review, edit, and finalize it before publishing. Click the three dots to edit the module if needed. And then save it again. Now, to make the module visible to students, you need to publish it. Click on Publish. A confirmation page will appear asking if you want to publish. Click Publish again to confirm. Here you can add as many modules as you need. For example, you might create a module called Agenda to share homework, schedules, and updates. To do so, simply click on Add Module, create a new module, name it Agenda, and save. To keep the Agenda module visible at the top, simply select it and drag it upward. Add all the resources you need and then publish it. For more video tutorials, visit our channel.